So this is the Vanos Solenoid timing variable valve. So we're gonna go ahead and change this, stick the new one in, see how we get on. What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. In today's video we are going to be fitting a Vanos Solenoid timing variable valve on the Mini Cooper S. Okay, so first things first, what are the symptoms of a bad variable timing valve? Symptom number 1, rough idling. Symptom number 2, misfiring. That's right, a bad Vanos Solenoid timing valve can cause your car to misfire. Symptom number 3, your engine light could pop up on your dash. So these are symptoms of which a bad Vanos timing variable valve can cause. Today that's what we're going to be changing, so let's get straight into it. Have it, the Vanos timing solenoid variable valve. This is what we're going to be changing. This is the old one. So before I put the new one in, I'm just going to lubricate the new one, push it back in, then I'll stick the 10mm bolt in there. So yeah, let's see how we get on. Vanos solenoid is fitted, everything is back together how it should be. So there you have it people, if you like this video please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe and all of that good stuff, and we'll catch you up on the next one.